How to apply for a personal loan with Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need extra funds, well, here is how to apply for a Truist personal loan online. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here, on the search result, you just need to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to choose the loan and after that you just need to click on personal loans. And there you simply have to select the type of personal loan you need like fixed rate, unsecured or debt consolidation. And with that you need to review interest rates, fees and loan terms. And once you're done with that, you just need to click on apply now. And on the next page, you need to provide your full name, date of birth, address, email, and phone number. And you also need to enter employment details, annual income, and housing payments. And once you're done with it, you need to read the loan agreement, disclosures, and credit check authorization. And once everything is okay, you need to confirm it accurately and then just click on submit. And with that, you will receive an instant decision or notification if additional review is needed. And you just need to check your email for loan confirmation after approval, and funds are usually deposited into your Truist account or designated account within a few business days. And that's it. Applying for a personal loan with Truist is fast and simple. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.